In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, your tasks and events will be synced so you can see your to-dos directly on your calendar and stay on top of your schedule more easily. First, make sure you're signed in to your Todoist account on your computer's web browser. While some of these options exist on mobile, the connection process is smoother and more consistent on the desktop or web version, so that's what we'll use here. Start on your main Todoist screen where you can see your projects and tasks. Look towards the top area of the page, slightly to the left side, for your profile icon. Depending on your settings, this might be your initials, a small avatar, or a profile picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Todoist keeps your account-related options and general app settings. Once the profile menu opens, you'll see several choices. What you're looking for is the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the main settings window for your account. This is the control center where you can customize how Todoist behaves, including notifications, themes, and in our case, integrations like calendars. Inside the settings window, you'll notice different tabs or sections along the side or across the top, depending on the current layout of the app. Look for the tab labeled Calendar. This is specifically dedicated to connecting Todoist with calendar services such as Google Calendar. Click on the Calendar tab to open the calendar integration options. On the Calendar page, you should now see an option to connect to Google Calendar. It may appear as a button that says something like Connect to Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on that button. Todoist will now start the connection process and usually open a new window or prompt, asking you to choose your Google account and grant permissions. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions from Google to allow Todoist to access your calendar. Make sure you're selecting the correct Google account that you actually use for your events. Once you accept the permissions, Todoist and Google Calendar will complete the connection and your tasks will begin syncing according to the options you select. That's all you need to do to connect Google Calendar to Todoist. With this integration in place, you'll have a much clearer view of your day, your deadlines, and your appointments all in one place.